It's Teacher Jordan here. I'm coming to you today to answer one of the most frequently asked questions that I get as one of VIPKid's top hiring coaches. How much can I get paid? Wondering how this VIPKid pay scale works out and how much you can make tutoring kiddos online from your home. Please stick around. Today I'm going to be breaking down the VIPKid pay scale, what incentives you can earn, complete your interview and demo class, which is the second step in the VIPKid hiring process. You will be offered a base rate. This is your base pay and how much you will get paid per 25-minute VIPKid class. Base pay will be between $7 and $9. Base pay is based off of your highest level of education, your experience with children, and your performance in the interview and demo. At base pay, there are many incentives that you can earn to up your pay. Explaining the VIPKid pay scale to applicants or to people who are interested in teaching for VIPKid, they are often confused when we say $14 to $22 an hour plus monthly incentives. They always want to know, what are those incentives? How can I earn more? Of the $7 to $9 base rate per 25-minute class, you can earn a $1 incentive for every single class for starting and finishing the class on time. This is a $1 participation bonus that you're going to get on top of your base pay. Keeping track, if your base rate is between $7 and $9, now you're earning an extra dollar per class just for starting the class on time and finishing on time. The incentive that VIPKid offers is $1 bonus per class if you teach over 45 classes in a month. So if you teach over 45 classes in 1 month, you are going to get $1 for every class. If you teach over 30 classes in a month, you're going to get 50 cents per each class. The question that I get asked frequently is, how often am I going to get paid? This is in your hands. You get to choose. You can either get paid bi-weekly or monthly. So you can get your payments via direct deposit to your bank account every 2 weeks or once a month. A lot of you are feeling skeptical. You're wondering, am I really going to get paid? I'm just coming here to tell you that I know we are all skeptical. You might not know anyone personally that teaches for VIPKid, so that might make you feel apprehensive, but I've never had a problem at all in my over a year being with this company and getting paid. There are other incentives that VIPKid offers to their teachers on top of that $14 to $22 pay scale. A lot of new teachers start by teaching trial classes, and trial classes are children who are just trying out VIPKid. You still get paid regularly for these classes. If that VIPKid student ends up signing up to be a real VIPKid student, then you'll get a $5 bonus. Top of that $22 an hour pay rate, if you book your classes within 24 hours of the start time, then you get a $2 bonus. If you get hired with VIPKid, you are going to sign a 6-month contract. After your first year with VIPKid, you are up for a raise. And when I signed my third contract with VIPKid, so I'd been with them for 1 year, I did get that raise. To raise some questions on what determines if you are going to be offered a new contract with VIPKid. If the parents are liking you and you're getting good parent feedback and you haven't canceled too many classes, then VIPKid will renew your contract, and after your first year, you will be up for a raise. Another frequently asked question that goes along with pay and how much you get paid for teaching online: taxes. I heard that I'm responsible for paying my own taxes. What does that mean? I know, it's really confusing. As an independent contractor, VIPKid will not be withholding any money from your pay, so you're responsible for saving that money yourself. Save about 15% to 20% of each paycheck. I put it in a separate account and I save that for tax season, and then that chunk of money is there. Kid does offer other incentives that come and go on top of all of the ones that I've already mentioned. During really popular times of the year when there are tons and tons of students, for their teachers an incentive just to open time slots. So if they know they're going to have an influx in students, then they will give you an incentive just to go through your schedule and open extra time slots or just open a certain number of time slots, and then you will get incentive pay on top of your regular pay. So how much do I make teaching online with VIPKid? I'm a busy mom. I have an 18-month-old son. I am a VIPKid teacher. I am a former teacher, and when I had my son, I just didn't want to go back to the classroom. I wanted to be able to stay home with him. I did start to really miss being a teacher. I missed having something to do outside of our home. And I had just a little piece of me that was missing. And so I decided that I wanted to find something to do. And that's when I found VIPKid. I wasn't really concerned right off the bat with how much I was going to earn. I wanted to bring in money. Obviously, I didn't just start this job for fun. But I wasn't concerned with making a ton of money. I wanted to make some extra income from my home without paying for childcare for my son, without having to leave him with someone else. And right now, I'm working and he's upstairs sleeping. And so that's why I started VIPKid. I teach and have from the beginning taught about 3.5 hours a day. So I get up early in the morning before my son wakes up, and then I teach until he usually wakes up. And so that's about 3.5 hours a day that I am teaching. So from the beginning, a year ago, I've been making a little over $2,000 a month with teaching for VIPKid. You have to do this job full time. You don't have to be on here teaching 3.5 hours a day. You don't have to be on here teaching an hour a day. That's the best part about VIPKid, is the flexibility that it offers the teachers. We are able to create our own schedule, to go online and open those 25-minute time slots when it is convenient to us. You can open your schedule a month in advance, weeks in advance, or hours in advance. And then the children will book you for those classes, and then you can teach. One of VIPKid's top hiring coaches, and I want to help you get hired. I want you to be able to see the beauty of this job that I've been able to see and the blessing it has been to my family. Wondering why you should work with a hiring coach? Working with a hiring coach can help to speed up the hiring process. I know it inside and out, and I can help you navigate it. I have printable props and a printable backdrop that I can give you to print out and hang up so that you don't have to be spending any of your own money to get started with VIPKid. Be here to answer all of your questions and to help you become a successful VIPKid teacher. $25 an hour is amazing. Working from home, not paying childcare, and I don't know what else. Teaching in leggings right now. I'm teaching in leggings. So how can it get better than that? Guys, if you want to join me and you want to start teaching for VIPKid, or if you just want to learn more, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. To hear more from me and to check out more of my videos about VIPKid and the hiring process and frequently asked questions, please subscribe to this channel so that you can see more.